Welcome to our exploration of knowledge management models. In today's fast-paced business world, effectively managing knowledge is crucial for organizational success. This video will guide you through the foundational framework of knowledge management, introduce you to 3 prominent models, and show you how these concepts integrate into a comprehensive approach. By the end, you'll see how these models are applied in real business scenarios, giving you practical insights you can use in your own environment. Let's begin by understanding what knowledge management really means and why it's so important for modern organizations. Knowledge management is more than just storing information. It's about creating, sharing, and utilizing knowledge to drive business value. Organizations that master knowledge management can innovate faster, make better decisions, and maintain a competitive edge. In this scene, we'll clarify the core objectives of knowledge management and set the stage for the frameworks and models that help organizations harness their collective expertise. Understanding these basics is essential before diving into the specific models that shape effective knowledge management strategies. At the heart of knowledge management lies a structured framework. This framework provides a systematic approach to capturing, organizing, and sharing knowledge within an organization. It typically includes processes for knowledge creation, storage, retrieval, and dissemination. By following a clear framework, businesses can ensure that valuable insights are not lost and that employees have access to the information they need when they need it. Next, we'll look at 3 influential models that build on this foundational framework. First model we'll explore is the SECI model, developed by Nonaka and Takeuchi. SECI stands for Socialization, Externalization, Combination, and Internalization. This model explains how knowledge is transformed and shared within organizations. Socialization involves sharing tacit knowledge through direct interaction. Externalization turns tacit knowledge into explicit concepts. Combination merges different pieces of explicit knowledge, and internalization helps individuals absorb and apply new knowledge. The SECI model highlights the dynamic nature of knowledge creation. Building on the SECI model, the knowledge spiral illustrates how knowledge evolves within organizations. As knowledge moves through the SECI processes, it spirals upward, expanding in scope and depth. This continuous cycle encourages innovation and learning at all levels. The spiral metaphor emphasizes that knowledge management is not a one-time event but an ongoing journey. Organizations that embrace the knowledge spiral can adapt more quickly to changes and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Knowledge pyramid, also known as the DXW hierarchy, represents the transformation of data into wisdom. The base is data, which becomes information when organized. Information turns into knowledge through analysis and experience. And finally, wisdom emerges from applying knowledge in decision-making. This model helps organizations understand the value of refining raw data into actionable insights. By climbing the pyramid, businesses can make smarter, more informed choices. Each model offers unique insights. Integrating them creates a more robust knowledge management approach. By combining the SECI model's dynamic processes, the knowledge spiral's continuous improvement, and the knowledge pyramid's focus on actionable wisdom, organizations can develop a comprehensive strategy. This integrated model ensures that knowledge flows seamlessly, is continuously refined, and ultimately supports strategic goals. Next, we'll see how this integration works in practice. To bring these concepts to life, let's examine a real-world case study. We'll follow a business as it implements the knowledge management framework and integrated model. This case will highlight the challenges faced, the solutions applied, and the outcomes achieved. By observing these steps, you'll gain a clearer understanding of how theory translates into practice and the tangible benefits that effective knowledge management can deliver. First step in our case study is identifying knowledge gaps within the organization. This involves assessing where critical information is missing or not effectively shared. By mapping out these gaps, the business can prioritize areas for improvement and ensure that knowledge management efforts are targeted and impactful. Addressing knowledge gaps is essential for building a strong foundation for future growth and innovation. Knowledge gaps identified, the organization designs processes to capture, store, and share knowledge. This includes setting up systems for documentation, creating knowledge repositories, and encouraging collaboration among employees. Well-designed processes make it easier for everyone to access and contribute valuable insights, turning individual expertise into organizational strength. These processes are guided by the integrated model we've discussed. Next, the business puts the knowledge management framework into action. This involves training employees, rolling out new tools, and establishing routines for sharing and updating knowledge. Implementation is a critical phase as it turns plans into reality and begins to deliver measurable results. The organization monitors progress and makes adjustments as needed to ensure the framework is effective and sustainable. No implementation is without obstacles. Common challenges include resistance to change, lack of engagement, and technical issues. In our case study, the organization addresses these by fostering a culture of openness, providing ongoing support, and leveraging technology to simplify processes. Overcoming these hurdles is key to ensuring long-term success and embedding knowledge management into the organizational culture. To evaluate the impact of knowledge management, the organization tracks key performance indicators such as improved decision-making, faster problem-solving, and increased innovation. Regular measurement helps identify what's working and where further improvements are needed. By focusing on outcomes, the business ensures that knowledge management delivers real value and supports its strategic objectives. Knowledge management is an ongoing process. The organization regularly reviews its practices, gathers feedback, and adapts to new challenges and opportunities. This commitment to continuous improvement ensures that knowledge remains a valuable asset and that the organization stays agile in a changing business environment. By fostering a learning culture, the business can sustain its competitive advantage over time. Summary: effective knowledge management combines a solid framework with proven models and practical application. By understanding and integrating the SCCI model, knowledge spiral, and knowledge pyramid, organizations can unlock the full potential of their collective expertise. The case study demonstrates that with the right approach, knowledge management drives innovation, improves performance, and delivers lasting value. Thank you for joining us on this journey through knowledge management model.